In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy and sell stocks using Robinhood on your PC browser. Let's get started by first opening Robinhood in your preferred browser. Simply go to the Robinhood website and log in with your credentials if you aren't already signed in. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard, where you have access to your portfolio and a variety of features. The next step is to connect your bank account, so you can transfer funds into Robinhood. To do this, locate the account section, usually found at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. From there, navigate to Transfers, then select Linked Accounts, and finally, choose the option to connect your bank. Following the prompts, you'll enter your bank details and follow the verification steps. Make sure to double-check the information you provide, as ensuring accuracy is vital for smooth transfers. Now that your bank account is linked, go back to the Transfers area and select Transfer Money. Enter the amount you wish to deposit into your Robinhood account and then click Submit. Depending on your bank, the funds might appear instantly or could take a business day or two. Having available funds is necessary before you can buy any stocks or ETFs. Once the funds are in your account, you're ready to search for investment opportunities. Head over to the search bar, usually at the top of the interface, and type the name or ticker symbol of the stock or ETF you're interested in. Click on the result that matches your intended investment to view its details. If you're ready to purchase, select the Buy button on the stock or ETF's profile page. Enter the dollar amount or the number of shares you want to buy, then click Review to double-check your order. Make sure you're satisfied with all the details, especially the number of shares and the total cost. When everything looks good, click Buy to complete your purchase. You might also want to keep an eye on certain stocks for future opportunities. To do this, simply click the Add to Watchlist button located on the stocks page. This helps you track the performance of stocks you're interested in without needing to buy them immediately. If you later decide it's time to sell, locate the stock in your watchlist or portfolio. Click Trade, then choose Sell. Enter the number of shares or the dollar value you wish to sell, and click Review. Give everything a final look, then select Sell to complete the transaction. Last but not least, it's important to regularly monitor your investments. Go back to the account section and select Investing to view your portfolio. Checking in routinely helps you stay on top of your holdings, track your progress, and make adjustments as your financial needs or strategies change. And that wraps up the basic process of buying and selling stocks on Robinhood through your computer browser. With these steps, you'll be navigating and managing your investments more confidently. Thanks for watching and happy investing.